Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop dishwashers, the Danby DDW631SDB and the Portable Countertop Dishwasher. In today's video, we'll dive into their specifications, features, and user reviews to help you decide which one is the best fit for your kitchen. We'll look at their capacities, water sources, and portability to give you a comprehensive overview. When it comes to capacity, the Danby DDW631SDB offers a slightly larger space with 6-place settings, making it suitable for small families or individuals with more dishware. In contrast, the Portable Countertop Dishwasher accommodates approximately 5-place settings, which may require more frequent washing for larger households. This difference can significantly impact your dishwashing efficiency, especially during gatherings or family meals. The Danby DDW631SDB requires a direct water hookup, which may limit its placement options in your kitchen. On the other hand, the Portable Countertop Dishwasher provides flexibility with its built-in water tank, allowing it to function without plumbing connections. This feature makes it an excellent choice for RVs or smaller kitchens where space is at a premium. Portability is another key factor to consider. The Danby model is designed for fixed installation, making it a more permanent solution for your kitchen. In contrast, the Portable Countertop Dishwasher is specifically designed for portability, making it ideal for those who may need to move it frequently or use it in different locations. This makes the Cantapas model a great option for those with limited kitchen space or for users who travel often. In conclusion, both the Danby DDW631SDB and the Portable Countertop Dishwasher have their unique advantages. The Danby offers a larger capacity and energy efficiency, while the portable model provides flexibility and ease of use without the need for plumbing. Depending on your specific needs and kitchen setup, one may be a better fit than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like